CBS News.
Well, if you aren't happy with a product, a business, or a company, you are far from alone. CBS News correspondent Jim Krasula explains.
No one is quite sure why, but the number of consumer complaints against companies and businesses are on the rise. They are up by nearly 25% so far this year in South Carolina alone.
Usually it's vehicles, contractors, home repair type stuff, timeshares, real estate, and HOAs.
Sam Cook is with the South Carolina Department of Consumer Affairs. Jim Krasula, CBS News.
Well, apparently there's more trouble now for an embattled horseback riding company that was kicked out of Golden Gate Park back in May. The San Francisco Standard reports the Chaparral Corporation is now under investigation by officials in Santa Clara County for animal neglect. The investigation was launched following the death of a horse earlier this month at a ranch in Milpitas. Photos showed the horse Honey dehydrated, emaciated, as temperatures in the South Bay stretched into the 90s. San Francisco's Rec and Parks Department revoked Chaparral's permit after scrutiny over allegations of mistreatment of both animals and employees. We're moving on now to your money and business news on KCBS.
No matter where Americans were this June,
You split the atom of breakfast.
they were watching streaming TV. It surged to a high last month. Americans spent more than 40% of their TV time streaming movies and TV shows, the highest percentage ever for online viewing, and streaming giant Netflix led the way.
London's fashionable set has made its return.
Thanks in part to the new season of the hit show Bridgerton and Your Honor, a drama from Paramount Global.
I've got this title feature, man.
The streaming pioneer increasing its viewing 12% during the month to reach an 8.4% market share, according to Nielsen. 3 other streaming platforms scored double-digit viewing growth during the month, with Disney Plus up 15%.
Your eyes can deceive you.
And when it comes to sports, it seems like Walt Disney's ABC was the place to go to. It had the 7 most watched broadcast shows, led by the NBA Finals, the CNN presidential debate, and Game 7 of the NHL Championship. Kimberly Adams, Bloomberg Business for KCBS.
We're going to get a check of Bay Area traffic with Joey Vlasny in minutes.
First came the wheels. Then came the steam engine. Then came automated investing. And Betterment was born. Since the dawn of time, people have used technology to make their lives better. In fact, it's the pursuit of better that makes us human. And better is what Betterment is all about. While we may not be as famous as the wheel or as splashy as the steam engine, we did pioneer a better way to invest, making it easier for you to focus on you. How do we do it? We automate to make things simpler. We optimize to make things smarter. And we're consistently working to make our portfolios and technology, you guessed it, better. Betterment knows that being invested in better is pretty much the best investment you can make. Betterment. Be invested. Visit Betterment.com to learn more.
Investing involves risk. Performance not guaranteed. Hey guys, at Prime Male Medical, our mission is to provide you with the medical care you need to improve your ED, low T, and incontinence. With years dedicated to improving the lifestyle of our patients in the Bay Area, we strive to improve your love life and overall health. Listen to Dr. Robert Rowley.
We have virtually every medication known to man to help men. We specialize in acoustic wave therapy, sublingual lozenges, which bypass the digestive system, making them work faster and more effectively, injectable medications, and testosterone treatment for those patients who need it.
Impotence problems can be treated in just one visit. Call now. Get a PSA test, testosterone test, Doppler ultrasound, and a full year of free visits for just $99. Call 415-761-4037. That's 415-761-4037. Or go to PrimeMaleMedical.com. Again, that's PrimeMaleMedical.com. 415-761-4037. Visit us in San Francisco, San Jose, and the East Bay.
We all hear the radio ads about the IRS. They tell you to be afraid, to be scared, and they try to is different. CRA is here to tell you that if you owe money to the IRS, whether it's $5,000, $50,000, or $500,000, we have a solution. It doesn't matter if you're sitting in your car, at work, or with your kids. No matter where you are, call now. 800-575-6481. Don't lose hope. CRA can eliminate or reduce what you owe to the IRS. Generous programs are now available that can give you a fresh start. Our passion is taxes and helping individuals fix their IRS problems. We have over 1,000 5-star reviews on Google and an A+ with the Better Business Bureau. You don't need to be afraid of the IRS any longer. End your tax nightmare today by visiting us online at tra.com or call 800-575-6481. That's 800-575-6481. Tax Relief Advocates. Real solutions for real people.
With a final check of traffic in the 8 o'clock hour at 8:58, the problem spot this morning has been up in the North Bay. Is it continuing to be the case, Joey?
It sure is. Solano County, it's a deadly crash on Highway 37. This is east of Skaggs Island Road. Eastbound 37 is still blocked as you head toward Vallejo. The backup is from Highway 121. Avoid this if you can. Westbound 37 is open, but slow with periods of stop and go from just after the Mare Island Bridge in Vallejo as you head towards Sonoma Raceway. Better news in Petaluma, an earlier stall northbound 101 after San Antonio Road. This is out of your way. And in the South Bay, Santa Cruz, through the Santa Cruz, getting to Santa Cruz, pardon me, South Bay from Los Gatos into Scotts Valley and Santa Cruz still problem-free, southbound Highway 17. Next traffic update, 9:08 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
Thanks, Joey. The weather forecast should be pretty nice today. Right now we are dealing with some patchy fog and clouds still lingering, some drizzle along the coast, but it should burn off to plenty of sunshine. It's going to be much cooler inland this weekend than what we've seen over the past week. High temperatures ranging from the low 60s to the low 80s, so quite a bit cooler. Traffic and weather together on the 8th on KCBS. It is Saturday, July 27th, coming up.
I'm David Welch in San Francisco. The city's seeing a significant reduction in greenhouse emissions.
And I'm Raquel Maria Dillon in Oakland, where progressives are calling out recall campaigns and defending Mayor Sheng Tao's record. And it is a busy campaign weekend for the Harris and Trump campaigns. Good morning, I'm Jennifer Hodges. CBS News covers the world next.
When you need to know, KCBS AM, KFRC FM, and HD1, San Francisco, Oakland, San Jose, and on-beat station.
It's 9 o'clock.
Is CBS News on the Hour, sponsored by O'Reilly Auto Parts.
I'm Linda Kenya. Vice President Harris's choice for running mate is a major focus in the 2024 race.
Arizona Senator Mark Kelly and several Democratic governors, including Pennsylvania's Josh Shapiro, are among the names being vetted as potential running mates.
Certainly not going to add any political pressure as the Vice President. She will make this deeply personal decision as to who she wants to run with.
The GOP VP candidate J.D. Vance has been on the defensive in the face of growing backlash over past comments.
CBS's Natalie Brown says those comments include criticisms of Harris and women without children. Renewed calls for police reform after a deputy shot and killed Sonia Massey in Illinois after she called 911 about a possible intruder in her home. Sean Grayson, who has since been fired, has pleaded not guilty to first-degree murder. CBS's Roxana Saberi is following.
Sheriff and I will not tolerate lying and deception.
New audio recordings from the Logan County, Illinois Sheriff's Office, obtained by CBS News, revealed Grayson was reprimanded in November 2020 police reports.
7 months on, how are you still employed by us?
State records show Grayson resigned in April 2023 and was hired by Sangamon County 3 days later.
Rallies are planned in Chicago and across the country over the next few days, calling for justice for Massey and other Black Americans killed by police. The Jasper wildfires have forced 25,000 people to flee the Canadian city and the adjacent national park. Richard Ireland is Jasper's mayor.
It got pushed by winds of up to 125 kilometers per hour. That's certainly unusual for our mountain community, but that's what happened.
More than 100 firefighters from Mexico have landed in Alberta, Canada to help contain the flames. South Korea getting an apology from the International Olympic Committee. CBS's Wendy Gillette tells us why.
At the opening ceremony, South Korea was introduced as the Democratic People's Republic of Korea, but that's North Korea's name. South Korea's is the Republic of Korea. The embarrassing mistake led the IOC to apologize on social media. Its president will also meet with the leader of South Korea. Wendy Gillette, CBS News, Paris.
One of the most popular non-surgical cosmetic procedures in the world may give new hope to children with cerebral palsy.
A recent randomized clinical trial published in Developmental Medicine and Child Neurology finds injections of Botox trigger some decrease in calf pain intensity. The shots also helped improve energy levels in kids with the condition, who can use up to 5 times more energy than able-bodied people when moving around or walking.
This is CBS News.
Think O'Reilly Auto Parts for all your car care needs. Get the parts and service you need fast from the professional parts people at O'Reilly Auto Parts.
$5,000. That's the average amount of money people in the U.S. are now spending on gas in a year. $5,000. That's crazy. If you drive, you have to download Upside, the free app that gives you cash back every time you get gas. That's right. You can earn real cash back with Upside just by buying the gas you're already buying. You can literally start earning cash back today.
I use Upside every time I fill up. I've already made around $200-$300.
You're putting gas in your car anyway. Why not get real cash back? If you like free money, then download Upside.
I'm saving the cash I earn from using Upside to help pay for a vacation later this year.
Download the free Upside app now to earn cash back every time you buy gas. Use promo code EARN to get an extra 25 cents per gallon on your first tank. You can cash out anytime right to your bank, PayPal, or a gift card for Amazon and other brands. Just download the free Upside app and use promo code EARN for a 25 cents per gallon bonus on your first tank. That's code EARN for a 25 cents per gallon bonus.
There's a mystery for TV fans in New York City. CBS's Deborah Rodriguez reports.
Mysterious neon flyers have begun popping up in Manhattan and Brooklyn, warning New Yorkers they may be included in scenes for HBO's Sex and the City sequel, and just like that. But that's not the mysterious part. It's the plot line. One describes an episode as Carrie reveals she's Garfield the cat. Another, Carrie thinks her dentist is switching out her teeth. Then there's Carrie and Miranda hop into a cab, but it flies away like at the end of Grease, and we never see them again. The provenance of the posters unknown. All list shoot times and dates as 6 a.m. this coming Tuesday. Deborah Rodriguez, CBS News, New York.
Traveling to New York may get less expensive. Maybe. The Federal Reserve reports inflation was up just 0.1% from May to June, suggesting the worst streak of inflation in 4 decades may be ending. Linda Kenyon, CBS News.
It's 9:05 at the Bay Area's news station KCBS. We do have sunny skies in the forecast after the clouds burn off around the bay. Clear skies already inland. Good morning, I'm Jennifer Hodges. Here's what's happening. Some measured progress in the battle against the Park Fire in Butte and Tehama counties. The fire has torched more than 307,000 acres since it sparked earlier this week. Rick Carhart is a public information officer with CAL FIRE in Butte County.
We're showing the same number this morning as we were last night, and so that is really the first time that we haven't had massive growth of this fire. For the first 48 hours that this fire was burning, it was growing about 4,000 to 5,000 acres per hour.
More than 2,400 firefighters are battling the blaze, which so far has burned 134 structures. Crews will get a break in the weather with cooling temperatures this weekend. Crews also made progress overnight in battling a fire burning in the Sonola Regional Wilderness. That blaze, dubbed the Creek Fire, has scorched nearly 600 acres. It started on Friday at Welch Creek and Calaveras Roads. CAL FIRE has ordered night-flying helicopters to drop retardant and water on that blaze. An Oakland progressive political group is calling out the recall efforts against Mayor Sheng Tao and Alameda County District Attorney Pamela Price. KCBS's Raquel Maria Dillon reports. Oakland Rising Action says the recall efforts are funded by small groups trying to do an end run around ranked choice voting. They say these groups are wasting city money during an ongoing budget crisis and, quote, disrupting democracy. Executive Director Evelyn Torres says Oakland voters should respect the outcome of democratic elections.
One, cost. You know, if you live in Oakland, if you live in Alameda County, our communities and researchers need a lot of help.
Torres says it's taken her group a while to coalesce around opposing the recall and supporting Tao, because Oakland Rising is a collaborative, so members had to have discussions about how to talk about the recall. Now she says it's time to act. In Oakland, I'm Raquel Maria Dillon, KCBS. City leaders say efforts to cut greenhouse gas emissions are producing results. KCBS's David Welch reports the city of San Francisco is boasting a nearly 50% reduction of those harmful pollution numbers back in 1990.
Nearly a 50% reduction is an impressive number, and the city's Environment Department is taking a well-deserved victory lap.
San Francisco has had a long track record of focusing on environmental and sustainability issues.
But the department's director, Tyrone Ju, says the city isn't hoisting any flags yet.
Let me be clear, we have a long way to go to get to our net zero emissions by 2040.
But in a humble way, Ju says the city's well on the way. He points to a number of city programs that are producing results.
When we track emissions, it goes across a variety of sectors from, emissions in our buildings, emissions in our transportation sector, emissions from our waste.
He says all of those areas have seen concerted efforts producing measurable results. Ju says the city's identity is a place that cares for the environment makes all of these programs possible, and he says, for an example, look no further than the city's trash.
How we dispose of our waste and our commitment to making sure we're composting, recycling.
In San Francisco, David Welch, KCBS.
Coming up on KCBS,
what do Democrats need to do to secure the Latino vote in California? I'm Mary Hughes, and I'll have the details.
We're heading out to the roads now with a check of traffic at 9:08 with Joey Vlasny.
Let's go to the North Bay. This is Solano County. An earlier deadly crash has caused big delays this morning on Highway 37 east of Skaggs Island Road. That's the crash site where a car ended up in the water and took out a power pole. Eastbound 37 was completely blocked. Now CHP says that cars are moving again on the eastbound side. I still see brake lights from Highway 121 as you head towards Vallejo. Westbound 37, towards Sonoma Raceway. This is slow with some stop and go from after the Mare Island Bridge to before Skaggs Island Road. In San Francisco, the cars are filling in, slowing you down on northbound 101 from before Cesar Chavez to just past Vermont Street. This is under the speed limit here. And in the South Bay in San Jose, earlier problems on northbound 101 before Interstate 880 are problem 18 on the traffic meter, KCBS.
Thanks, Joey. The weather forecast for this weekend calling for mostly clear skies this morning. Clouds, fog, and drizzle along the coast this morning with low temperatures overnight in the upper 50s to low 60s. Dayside in the low 60s all the way up to the low 80s today. So definitely much cooler than what we've seen and more sunshine heading into your work week. Traffic and weather together on the 8th on KCBS. It is 9:10 as our News Watch continues. Well, Latinos are becoming one of the biggest demographic of voters in California and across the country, but is enough being done by Democrats to try to reach those voters? KCBS's Mary Hughes has more on this question with an in-depth preview.
Mike Madrid, co-founder of the Lincoln Project and author of The Latino Century, has seen the steady move of working-class Latino voters from Democrat to Republican over the years.
Black and brown voters are shifting to the right.
He says this is partially down to a new generation of Latino voter that is less concerned with the cultural lens that Democrats focus on.
Now, as California is starting to see third and fourth generation Latinos catch up to the naturalized voter, we're starting to see a balancing out in the partisanship, even in deepest blue California.
According to Madrid, Democrats need to reconnect with working-class voters of color by looking at economic issues like housing struggles and worries about if blue-collar jobs will still be around.
The Democratic Party can easily fix this by becoming more supportive of those industries, but the problem is, as it's consolidated white, wealthier, college-educated voters, those industries are anathema to that voter base.